We're going to install this module now using the Update Manager. If we go back to our site and we go to the Extend page, we can click the Install New Module button, and this tells us to install from a URL, and it gives us an example. The extension that we're looking for is .tar.gz. We go back to the admin toolbar page. This is the one that we're looking for right here. So I'm going to right-click this. I'm going to copy the link address, go back to our site, paste in the URL, and click Install. Now what install means in this case is downloading the code and adding it to the site, but not enabling the module. So we'll have to separately enable it. So we'll click on Enable Newly Added Modules. Now I'm going to do a search here for admin, and we have two modules that come bundled within admin toolbar. We're going to enable them both. And I'll click Install. Now we can see this module in action if we change to the horizontal version of the toolbar and hover over any of the links here. You can see it's much easier to browse the entire administration navigation this way.